Okay, good morning my dear. Today day 13 part 1. Yes, geometrical mean of zero of a polynomial. Clear? It means if you have a polynomial and you want to find the zero of the polynomial, and if you want to express on the graph sheet, then what does it mean? Clear? Suppose if you have a linear polynomial px is equal to ax plus b. It is a linear polynomial. You know that why it is the linear polynomial? Because here the degree of x is 1. It is called a linear polynomial because its degree is 1. You know that if it has 1 degree, then it has also 1 0. Then 0 of this polynomial is x is equal to minus b upon a. Clear? If you want to find its 0, then suppose its 0 is alpha. Suppose linear polynomial ax plus b, its one root is alpha. Why one root? Because it has 1 degree. Then alpha is equal to minus b upon a. It is the root and coefficient of a linear polynomial. It is relation between the roots and coefficient of a linear polynomial. Clear? And this root is also called the 0. This alpha is also called the 0. Alpha here, alpha is equal to minus b upon a is called 0 of linear polynomial. Clear? Then if you want to represent it on graph, then you know that on graph sheet it is the y-axis and x-axis. Clear? Y-axis y dash, x dash x. It is the origin. You know that coordinate of origin is 0, 0. On the x-axis before the origin, all values are negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and here plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Here upper side on one axis, every value is the positive, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. And downside of y-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Clear? Then here minus b upon a. It means on x-axis it is the value of x. X is equal to minus b upon a is 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Then this minus b upon a is on x-axis left side on x-axis, or in xy plane it is on x-axis before the 0. Clear? Then suppose if it is here minus b upon a, then line of this linear equation, this polynomial passes through this point, and the equation of this line is ax plus b. Suppose if any equation x plus 4 is a linear equation of one variable, x plus 4 is a linear equation of one variable, and you want to geometrical representation or geometrical mean of this 0, then first of all you can find 0 of this polynomial. Then let x plus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 minus 4, x is equal to minus 4. It means if you put x is equal to minus 4 in this polynomial, then here left side and right side are same. Then see minus 4 plus 4 both are cutted, then it is in this left side and right side are 0. It means if you represent this equation on the graph, then it is the -4. Then graph of this line passes through -4. It will be like this, it is straight line, and equation of this line is x plus 4 is equal to 0. It means if you have the linear polynomial, then their graphical representation is a straight line. If you want to represent on the graph, then you got a straight line and it intersect only one point on the x-axis, and where that is intersect on x-axis, this point is the 0 of the given polynomial. Clear? It is geometrical mean of 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Listen once more. Suppose you have a linear polynomial ax plus b. Clear? And you can find its 0 minus b upon a. Then minus b upon a represent on this xy plane on the same point. Then line of this equation passes through minus b upon a, and minus b upon a is 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Then 0 of a polynomial is a point where the line passes through in xy plane. Clear? It is called the 0 of the polynomial. And if you have the linear polynomial, then you must got a straight line. Clear? But if you have a quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial or biquadratic polynomial, then you got a curved line. Then first of all, we discuss the quadratic polynomial. Suppose if we have a quadratic polynomial ax squared bx plus c, quadratic polynomial, you know that quadratic polynomial of degree 2, it means it has 2 factor, it has 2 zeros, it has the graph of this line is a curved graph. Clear? And it is called the parabolic. If you represent on this equation this polynomial on graph, then you got a parabolic graph. Clear? See here. X dash y dash origin. Clear? Then it has 2 0 alpha and beta. Clear? Suppose here alpha and here beta, then graph of this linear equation is like this way. It means one value is the alpha and other value is beta. Suppose if one is minus alpha and other is beta, then minus alpha is this side and other is beta, then our graph is like this way. Clear? It means if you have a quadratic polynomial, then their graph is parabolic. Graph of quadratic polynomial is parabolic. Clear? And if here a is greater than 0, it means a is positive. Clear? Then parabola is upward direction. Upward direction means the mouth of the parabola is like this way. Clear? And if here second a is less than 0, it means here a is negative. Clear? Then parabola is downward direction. Clear? Suppose minus 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is a linear equation. Clear? Then their graph is parabolic and it's depend on the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square, then its graph is like this way. Means the mouth of the parabola is downward direction and intersect x-axis, because here variable is in x, polynomial of this variable is in x. Clear? Then what is the mean of the graphical representation? Suppose if you have a parabolic graph and see ax square bx plus c, here is a 0, then it has three conditions. Three condition means this parabola is not intersect x-axis or y-axis, or it means this parabola intersect at a single point x-axis or y-axis, or it may be possible this parabola is intersect at 2 points. Then it has three conditions. One, it intersect at 2 points, intersect at 1 point, and intersect at no point. In this case, it has two roots. Clear? And it means two zeros. And if the parabola not touch x-axis or y-axis, that it means it has no root or no zero. Means in this case, if we have any polynomial like this and their graph is not intersect on x-axis, then the zero of this polynomial we can't find. In the same way, if the graph of a polynomial intersect at a point, that means this quadratic equation two root, but both root are equal zeros are root. Clear? Suppose if you have this type of parabola, that means it has intersect at 2 points and value of a, means coefficient of x square, is negative. Suppose if parabola is like this, then coefficient of x square is negative and it has no root. It has no root. It has two root. It has two root. And if the parabola intersect at a point on x-axis, then it has two equal root. This graph is two equal root, or two zeros have equal. Clear? In the same way, if you have a graph like this way, then you find intersection of x-axis 1, 2 and 3. That means this graph has 3 roots. Clear? Suppose if you have then 1, 2, 3, 4, then this graph have 4 roots. It means it is the polynomial of biquadratic polynomial, and you got 4 zeros of the polynomial. And here it is a graph of cubic polynomial, and you got 3 zeros of a cubic polynomial. In the same way, in the question, how many zero of the polynomial? Then you check at what point the graph are intersect x-axis. Then you see only 2 points the graph are intersect at the point. That's why it has 2 roots, 2 zeros. Clear? Then you can solve from your book. It is given in exercise 2.1, I think. Then you read carefully and solve the exercise. Okay.